Welcome children, this is the 9th standard chemistry session. Let us see types of chemical bond. Chemical bond, what are the bonds? That is strong bond, ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, metallic bond, they are called a strong bond. Weak bonds, hydrogen bond, van der Waals interaction, that's called weak bond. In this lesson, let us discuss one by one, that is only strong bond, ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. These three bonds we will discuss in this lesson. Okay, clear? Ionic bond, what are ions? You know that? That is atom, it lose electron or gain electron, it convert to ions. Already you know that. In last class we discussed. So first, ionic bond. Ionic or electrovalent bond. Ionic or electrovalent bond. What are the definition? An ionic bond is a chemical bond formed by the electrostatic force of attraction between positive and negative ions. That is, one force of attraction is present between the two ions, that is positive ion and negative ions. So that is called ionic bond. That is, bond is present between two ions. So that is called ionic bond. As the bond is between the ions, it is called ionic bond. And the attractive forces being electrostatic, the bond also called electrostatic bond. So between the ions, what type of force presence? That is electrostatic force presence. So that is called electrostatic bond. It is clear, children? Next, it is also called as electrovalent bond. Why it is called as electrovalent bond? Valency concept. Since the valency concept has been explained in terms of electron, it is called as electrovalent bond. So valency concept, what is valency? Combining capacity of an electron in an atom is called valency. So valency concept has been explained. So valency, how many valency electrons are present? Abdina enna solluvani? So last cell, how many electrons are present in the last cell? So there is one electron. So valency electron is 1. Valency is 1. Like that. So that valency concept has been explained. So valency concept has been explained in terms of electron. So it is called as electrovalent bond. So ionic bond is called as electrovalent bond or electrostatic bond or ionic bond. So the three are same. Same, only one bond, it called as in three names. That is ionic bond, electrostatic bond, electrovalent bond. Okay, it is clear. Next, examples. Example, see the picture. What is given? Sodium. First circle, that is sodium C. This is the sodium. Atomic number 11. Number of electrons 11. That means what? Number of proton 11, number of electron 11. Okay. So electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. In electron 11 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So that is first cell. First cell 2 electrons. First cell 2 electrons. Second cell 8 electrons. Third cell, that is only 1 electron presence. This is sodium atom structure. Okay. So next, what is this? Chlorine. Atomic number 17. So 2, 8, 7. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay. So this is the chlorine structure. Atom structure. Chlorine, atomic number 17. So first circle, first cell, that is K cell. It is called as K cell. Second cell is called as L cell. Third cell, M cell. Or first cell is called as first 1. Second cell 2. Third cell 3. Okay. This is cell. So first cell 2 electrons, second cell 8 electrons, third cell 7 electrons. Is it clear? So this is the atom structure, sodium atom structure, chlorine atom structure. In this point, so we consider what is . Children, what is acted rule? The tendency of atom to have 8 electron in the valency cell is known as the acted rule. Okay, last cell 8 electrons irukkanum. Okay va? See, can identify which atom this one? This is sodium atom. Last cell only 1 electron. This is chlorine atom. Last cell 7 electrons are present. So how it is converted to 8 electron? So this one sodium, this is give away 1 electron, or it has gained 7 electron. What about chlorine? It give away 7 electron or it gain 1 electron. Okay. So what is the absent here? Sodium is ready to give 1 electron. That is transfer of 1 electron to chlorine. Chlorine is ready to gain 1 electron from sodium. So it is easier to gain 1 electron. Sodium, that is easier to lose 1 electron. Chlorine, it is easier to gain 1 electron. Okay. It is sodium lose. After losing, sodium is converted to sodium ion. Chlorine is converted to chloride ion. Is it clear? Next. After that, sodium lose 1 electron, chlorine gain 1 electron. It is converted to like this. This is after losing 1 electron, sodium convert to sodium cation. So sodium cation Na plus. Here, after gaining 1 electron, chlorine convert to chloride anion. Okay, minus. Anion minus. ஏன்னா எலக்ட்ரான் இங்கே ரிமூவ் ஆகுறது, அதனால் ப்ளஸ் ஆகுது. எலக்ட்ரான் இங்கே அக்செப்ட் ஆகுது, அதனால் மைனஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி sodium cation, chloride anion. So this is the structure of ion. So bond, that is one arrow mark given, no? That is bond. This bond is presence between the two ion, that is sodium ion and chloride ion. Okay, clear now? So this is called ionic bond. Ionic bond எப்படி வருது? சோடியத்தில் இருந்து ஒரு that is ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான், சோடியத்தில் இருக்க ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் குளோரினுக்கு போகிறதுனால சோடியம் ஆக்டிவ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் போயிடுது. ஏன்னா லாஸ்ட் செல்ல 8 எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதே மாதிரி குளோரின் வந்து ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறதுனால அது லாஸ்ட் செல்ல 8 எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஆக்டிவ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் கம்ப்ளீட் அது. தட் இஸ் டு கம்ப்ளீட் a acted, both of them to complete a acted structure. Okay, it convert to ion, bond is between the ion, so that is called ionic bond. கிளியரா புரியுதா? சோடியமும் குளோரினுக்கும் நடுவில் இருக்க பாண்டுக்கு பேர் அயானிக் பாண்ட். ஏன்னா ரெண்டுமே அயான். ஓகே, கிளியர்? Next example. This is the one example, sodium chloride. Okay, is it clear? Next, magnesium atom. Magnesium atomic number 12. So 2, 8, 2. First cell having 2 electron, second cell having 8 electron, third cell having 2 electron. So here to complete acted, what is going to do? That is removal of 2 electron. That is magnesium lose 2 electron. Okay, either this is giveaway or it has gain. What happened here? This is giveaway. This is giveaway 2 electrons. To what? To chlorine atom. To 2 chlorine atom. Because 1 chlorine atom gain 1 electron to complete acted. So it gives 2 electron to 2 chlorine atom. Okay. So this is MgCl2. Listen, this is the magnesium cation. This cation means here third cell, there is no third cell, that is that 2 electrons going to 2 chlorine atom. So here red color start represent the sodium electron. Okay, so this is chlorine 2, 8, 7. So after getting gain 1 electron from sodium atom, the chlorine atom is converted to chloride ion. So this 2 chloride ion presence, the formula is MgCl2, because magnesium valency 2, chlorine valency 1. Okay, ma? So this is the chloride ion. Is it clear? This is the magnesium atom and chlorine atom after lose or gain electron, it convert to magnesium cation, chloride anion, that is MgCl2. ஓகே, மெக்னீஷியத்தில் இருக்க லாஸ்ட் செல்லில் இருக்க 2 எலக்ட்ரான் ஒன்றா குளோரின் ஆட்டத்துக்கு போகுது. ஓகேவா, குளோரின் ஒன்றா போகுது. பிக்சரில் கரெக்டாக தெரியுது பாரு, ஒன்றா போகுது, அதனால் அது குளோரைட் அயான். இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? ஸோ அயானிக் பாண்ட் ஓவர். Thank you, children.